In this video, I'm going to talk about the three-phase Sigenergy SigenStor and how it differs from the single-phase version. So if you do have a three-phase electricity supply and you're looking at SigenStor, I would recommend watching my other video first, as really 90% of it is the same. Then come back and watch this video to learn about the nuances for the three-phase systems. So firstly, all the batteries are the same. You get the same 5 and 8 kilowatt-hour battery units with the three-phase SigenStor as you do with the single-phase configuration. However, as you'd expect, the inverter ratings within the three-phase energy controllers are different. On the three-phase SigenStor, you can have a 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 17, 20 or 25 kilowatt energy controller. And like the single-phase system, you can mix and match inverter ratings if you have multiple stacks. The three-phase inverters do come with a range of MPPT inputs. On the 5 to 8 kilowatt inverters, you'll get 2 inputs. On the 10 to 15 kilowatt inverters, you'll get 3 MPPTs, and on the 17, 20 and 25 kilowatt inverters, you'll get 4 MPPTs. That's brilliant, as it gives you tremendous flexibility with the design and helps to eliminate the need for microinverters. The maximum PV input power that one inverter can take is 60% above what its rating is. So on the 10 kilowatt inverter, you can have up to 16 kilowatts of DC input power. On the 25 kilowatt inverter, you can have up to 40 kilowatts. Something else that changes with the three-phase system is the scalability. With the three-phase SigenStor, you can have up to 2.4 megawatt hours of storage. That's 50 SigenStor stacks. There are also various gateway sizes that you can get. To start with, you've got the Sigenergy three-phase gateway that is designed for use in the home, called the Sigen Home Max 3-phase. This allows for up to 2 SigenStor stacks to be connected into it, and the gateway can output up to 50 kilowatts to your house, so 2 25 kilowatt three-phase energy controllers. Scaling up from the Home Max, you then get onto the commercial scale gateways, starting with the C60, which can output 60 kilowatts and has 2 connection ports. There's then the C120, which has 6 inputs and can output 120 kilowatts. The gateways then keep scaling up from 180 kilowatts to 300 kilowatts to 600 kilowatts, and then all the way up to 1.2 megawatts, which is the 50 input gateway. That's pretty much it with regards to how the three-phase Sigenergy system differs to the single-phase system. As I say, if you have a house with a three-phase supply or you're looking to get battery storage for your business, do get in touch with Spirit Energy. We've installed a lot of three-phase battery systems with full backup for both large estates and businesses around the UK. And if you're looking for a similar battery storage system, then please do get in touch with us.